In this video, I will show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. To get started, place the mouse cursor where you want the table to be inserted. This is crucial as it determines the location of your new table within your document. Next, click on the Insert tab located at the top of the window. This tab contains various options for adding different elements to your document. Now, look for the Tables group within this tab. Click on Table, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll see a grid that allows you to select your desired number of rows and columns for your table. You can choose up to a maximum size of 6 rows and 7 columns. Simply move your mouse over this grid to highlight the number of rows and columns you wish to include. Once you've highlighted your preferred selection, left-click with your mouse. Congratulations! A table with the selected rows and columns has now been inserted into your document. There's another method for inserting tables if more customization is needed. Start by placing the mouse cursor again where you want the table to be inserted. Click on the Insert tab at the top once more. Then navigate back to Tables. This time, instead of selecting from the grid, click on Insert Table from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear that provides more flexibility in defining your table's structure. Here, you can specify exactly how many columns you'd like in one text field and how many rows in another. Additionally, there's an option for setting autofit behavior. This controls how cells adjust their width based on content or fixed dimensions. Once all adjustments have been made according to preference, simply click OK, and voila! A customized table has been inserted into your document based on specified dimensions. For those who prefer speed over precision when creating simple tables, there's yet another quick method available. Place your cursor where you would like to insert a table once again. Type in a sequence using plus signs and minus signs. After typing this out, hit Enter, and surprisingly enough, Word will automatically create a basic table structure based on that input. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.